I'm Diana. I'm the general manager at Park Slope Cleaning. We are a commercial cleaning company for the New York City and Miami market. We clean commercial property and retail spaces in both of those markets. So it's offices like engineering firms, law firms, nonprofits. We support our clients throughout the day with day porters, but we also do janitorial services at night. We self-perform all of our work, which really means that our employees are W-2, they're on our staff, they're trained by us, they use commercial equipment, they're uniformed, and a lot of other cleaning companies are not offering that service. We're licensed, bonded, insured. These are the kinds of things that you should be looking for in a cleaning provider because it makes a difference when there's a call out. You have other staff members who can come in and represent your company and keep your space safe. We have insurance in case something happens. We are trained so everybody knows what's going on, where the extra keys are, where the garbage goes out. It's really important to avoid using cleaning companies who aren't insured and licensed because it makes a difference in the emergency times. And normally everything's going fine, it's not a problem, but when there is an emergency, you want to be confident in your cleaning provider to know that they're in the space, keeping it safe, keeping your items secure, and your staff safe as well.